If your trader sounds like a robot, you're not hearing the whole trade. If your client feels like a dashboard, you're losing the deal. Humans still win where machines can't. AI is blazing through Wall Street. Faster models, smarter signals, trades executed in milliseconds. That sounds scary, and in some roles it is. Repetitive patterns, number crunching, portfolio construction are getting automated. But here's the myth-busting bit. Relationships, judgment calls, trust. Those aren't lines of code. A model can show correlations and probabilities, but it can't read a client's tone spot. Subtle doubt pivot a strategy after one awkward question in a meeting. Real finance isn't just math, it's storytelling. It's the human who takes a data-driven insight and turns it into a plan someone actually believes in. That's why salespeople, advisors, and senior traders who mix technical fluency with empathy become irreplaceable. So the smart play? Learn the tech, own the tools, double down on the human edge, communication, ethics, intuition. Use AI to supercharge your analysis, not to replace your judgment.